an acquisition coming in, for the website specifically, a lot of times that handoff is something like Shopify or WordPress code that's not easy to implement. So I'll have to rebuild it component by component. There's not much code I can just easily repurpose out of Shopify into this new website. With that, we're hoping AI could make that quicker. I think it beat our expectations of how quickly we could get it done. I'm McClung. I'm a senior systems analyst, which is IT support for our marketing team and other systems that support product development. Conagra is a CPG, so they have snacks and frozen meals in grocery stores and convenience stores. For something I'd say about a medium-sized brand, about 25 different product pages or a couple different product categories, it would take a small team of 3 or 4 people about 3 months to do that. With AI, using Claude Code and building into Acquia Source, which is React, I was able to do it in about a month and a half. And that was great because it allowed our IT team to be freed up for other priorities. Right now, I'm hoping to rebuild these sites off of WordPress. That's my current initiative. I'm trying to get 8 sites done before June. Right now, we're pacing for that. To be able to take these branded websites that all vary in different scale. Some of them are very large with hundreds of products. Some of them are smaller with 5 to 10 products. Knowing we can get a site built off the ground in a timely manner with resources being able to focus on other things has been a huge impact, and it's really changed how we're thinking about building sites in the future. It's easier to maintain in source than outside of with the different systems we were using previously. Fatty's the main one. It got the end result to exactly what we wanted it to be. I would say AI for some components got 100% of the way there, if not about 80% there, and then going through and fixing it was the best approach for that. I think the biggest win for that piece was the brand team knowing we have to rebuild the site and knowing it's not just gonna be a simple lift and shift where we're gonna rebuild it exactly how it was on Shopify, but they had some things that were important to them, and being able to easily implement those at the same time that we're building the site was really impactful and showed how quickly we're moving. Acquia Source has impacted me personally. It's allowed me to make a bigger impact in the organization. It's allowed me to build websites independently, and that's allowed me to then show our business stakeholders, okay, a lot of our websites we have built previously, they're templated, which is great for scale, but with Source, we can do these cool React animations and 3D effects and transformations, and they look more visually appealing, and it kind of changes the way that we think about what's important when we're building a website.